Hey guys, I'm at the very first installation my little town put up. This here installation covers 8 acres of ground. Produces about 1.7 megawatts. Has over 7,600 panels in it. Now this system is functioning. It's in operation right now. The other one, it's not quite functional yet. These panels are stationary. They don't track anything. I mean, where they are is where they are. Which means they're going to suffer from the famous little duck curve syndrome. But, you know, you'll have that. I'd say my little town's moving in the right direction. And that's all I got for now, guys. Talk to you later.